So if you're looking for how you can get started recording quality videos on your small YouTube channel, pay close attention to this video. Alright, so in this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you my recording tools that I use in creating quality videos for my YouTube channel and even quality videos with my laptop and my smartphone. Alright, this is not an iPhone video, it is an Android video yet. It comes out so well. Alright, so you have to stay through to the end of this video if you want to see how I get to achieve that. Alright, so let's jump in right into it. My name is Cynthia, and on this channel I talk about make money online, cryptocurrency, and lots more. Alright, so let's get started with what we have for today. Alright, so if you are getting started with YouTube channel, sometimes people procrastinate about starting to create videos on their channel because they feel they need plenty tools, they need plenty recording tools, big cameras to get started, but that is actually not what it is. Alright, all you just need to get started is those tools you have available with you. Alright, with time you can now start buying more tools to help you create better videos. Alright, everybody on YouTube started with what they have. Alright, then as time goes on, they now start to buy more tools, upgrade their videos to actually make it look more quality and also come out more nice. Alright, so you don't have to limit yourself with saying I don't have the right tools, I don't have this, I don't have you want to start creating quality videos like that guy with 20,000 subscribers, that guy with 50,000 subscribers. Have you tried scrolling down to their videos to actually see how many the type of videos that they started creating when they were still starting out? They have not done that. If you have, then I believe that nobody will tell you to start creating with what you already have. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you some of the tools that I use to actually create better videos for my channel. Alright, so the first one I have on my list is my phone. Yes, my smartphone. I use my smartphone. It's an Android phone. Alright, so what you might be wondering, why is the video so bright like as if it's an iPhone? It is not an iPhone, it's just my normal, Android phone camera. Alright, so I use my CapCuts to actually, make the video to look more brighter. Alright, with small editing here and there. Right, you don't need to be a professional video editor to edit with CapCut and the video will come out nice. You just have to, do one or two adjustments to your video to, bring it to life and make it look more lively. Alright, so I hope you're following. If you are, let me know in the comment section. Alright, and if this is your first time of watching my video, also let me know in the comment section so that I can give you your own popcorn. Alright, so that is it. Now, like I said, the first tool I use for my videos, alright, is my smartphone. And if I use a Redmi phone, alright, so even with your Techno phone, your Infinix phone, you can get started. Alright, all you just have to do is know how to do some minor edits on CapCut. Maybe in some of my subsequent videos I might make some videos talking about the edits you need to do in your CapCut to make your videos actually come out very nice. Alright, so that is it. You have to stay to the end of this video if you want to get everything that I do to make my videos come out well. Alright, so that is it. Like I said before, the first tool is my Android phone. Why I also record with my laptop. I don't know if you have been watching my videos before now, you agree with me that I create some tutorials with my laptop, and if you also check it, you see that the camera quality on the laptop is also very good, and that is because of this particular tool. Alright, it is a webcam. Alright, you can see it is a webcam. It's a C30E webcam. Alright, so that is it. It's a Logitech webcam. You can see it. Alright, yeah, it's a Logitech webcam. Right, this camera cost me 105,000 to get. Alright, it's quite, I don't know if I should say it's expensive, but I should just say that it's just there. Alright, the camera quality on my laptop is actually very nice. Like, it's better than my normal laptop camera, and it gives me what I actually want. Alright, so the second tool I use very well, which is my mic. You can see it right here on my clothes. All right, so one of it is here and the other one is here. I bought two because maybe in some of my videos I might bring in some people to interview them. All right, so that is the reason why I got two mics. All right, but if you are still getting started and you don't have much money to buy two mics, you can decide to, buy just one. Then maybe depending as you grow and you want to start inviting people, you can buy more. All right, so that is it. This is the pack. All right, so you can see. So that is it. I don't use much tools for my videos yet. My videos come out very well. You don't need a professional camera to get started. You also don't need plenty, gears like they talk about on YouTube to get started. You just need few gadgets to get started. All right, so that is it. Another tool again is my shooter. This is it. All right, so it works with my phone Bluetooth. All right, so I don't need to always try going to my phone to turn on the camera, or maybe having to tell somebody to help record me. All I just have to do is press it. I don't want to press it because I'm using it to record right now. All right, so if you press it, your video will get started. If you press it, it's also off. All right, so this my shooter, I didn't buy it, but I see some IG vendors selling it for 3,000 naira, depending on the type you are buying. All right, so this particular one, I didn't buy only it. I bought it together with my tripod stand that I'm using to actually record this video, which I'm also going to, show you guys what it looks like. All right, so that is it. If you are still procrastinating on getting started with creating videos for your YouTube channel because you are feeling like you don't have the right gadgets, you don't have expensive gadgets to start creating videos, I don't know what is stopping you. You have to get started with what you have, all right? If you don't have money to buy expensive gadgets, you have a smartphone with a camera. Get started with it. People will resonate with your videos. I've seen people who don't even have good backgrounds going viral on YouTube, all right? As you start to, grow, progress, make money, you can upgrade, all right? So that is it. You don't need to wait for any expensive tool to get started. You don't need to wait for any expensive camera to get started. You also don't need to wait for any expensive background to get started. All right, so that is it. And also, you don't even also need to get started with showing your face. All right, I think this is my first time of making this type of video that you're seeing right now on this channel, and I mean my channel is almost getting to 3,000 subscribers, and this is my first time of making this type of videos. All right, normally before now, if you have been watching my videos, you agree with that what I do most is my laptop screen. I share my laptop screen doing some tutorials where also my face shows below the video. Before now I use my normal laptop camera. All right, I just decided to get this Logitech webcam that I've showed you guys before. All right, so that is it. And sometimes I also do screen recording with my phone. All right, anytime I do screen recording with my phone, I always sometimes, so not every time, do a short video before the main tutorial with my face. All right, and sometimes if I even use Snapchat, this is not Snapchat. All right, this is my normal phone camera. All right, so get started with what you have. In fact, if you even feel that your house is that bad, that or maybe your camera is that bad and you want to use Snapchat, you can use Snapchat, but the limitations is that you can only record 1 minute per, and you don't need that much stress. All right, imagine making 8 minutes video and you have to keep making it 1 minute per 1 minute. That is going to be very stressful on you. All right, so you don't need any expensive tool to get started. All you need is knowing what to talk about. All right, just be knowledgeable about what you want to talk about. People are not coming to watch your expensive gadgets. I mean, nobody is even going to be seeing it. I'm using some expensive lights on the background, which I'm still going to talk about. That's if you want me to talk about if you want me to show you the lights that I use for my videos. All right, you can let me know in the comment section, say talk about your lights on the channel. All right, so I mean, nobody is seeing the lights I'm using, but you are feeling the effect. The video is bright. All right, you are glued to the video to this extent. All right, so that is it. Nobody is going to see the tool you are starting with. Some people even want to watch you grow. All right, some people want to watch you grow. There are some YouTubers that I've watched grow on this platform. Some of them did not even start with good background. Some of them started with going to their friend's house to make videos, right? So you have to get started. Then with time you can upgrade, right? I'm not against you upgrading, but trying to pressure yourself to starting with what you don't have is what I am not going to praise you about, alright? Start with what you have, then you grow from there, alright? So that is it. I hope you got value from today's video, alright? If you did, let me know in the comment section. There are there are two topics I still would want to talk about on this channel, but I would want you to tell me if you want me to talk about it, alright? If you want me to show you how I edit my videos to make it more brighter and make it come out better like iPhone videos, let me know in the comment section. Say I want you to show me how to edit my videos with CapCut. And also if you want me to show you my lightning, also let me know in the comment section, alright? I hope you got value from this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section, alright? So that is it. If you are also, like I said before now in the beginning of this video, I talk about make money online on this channel, social media management, cryptocurrency, anything at all that is needed to start making money online. I mean, check my other videos on this channel, watch anyone that you feel you can do and get started. You can as well also reach me via Facebook as Oka from Cynthia. I'm also Oka from Cynthia on Facebook. Alright, so that is it. Let's see on my next video. Alright, so I hope you got value. I want to believe that you got value from this video. Alright, see you on my next video. Bye.